So this is that pecan chair bottom. You can see where that bolts that come through each one. And so this is one of the pieces that I took out, and that's the hole that went through the one that was right here. So I've cut that off. I'm going to use this piece of wood, and I'm going to use a little bit of this spalted oak. I'm going to use some walnut. I'm going to use part of an aluminum can to make Franny's pen. Stay tuned. And not just any aluminum can. Voila, some aluminum. So the first thing I'm going to address is this screw hole. I'm going to fill that with a dowel rod so that it you can't have a hole in the middle of your pen, of course. Okay, I've doused this thing in thin CA, which is ultimately thin super glue, to help hold the wood together and hold that in there from where the bolt went through. Okay, scuffed up the Dr. Pepper can so the CA glue adheres to it better. Walnut and Dr. Pepper can. Oak and Dr. Pepper can. All right, there's the first two cuts. Now we're going to make another. So here's the cut I just made, and on this will go this piece like so. So there's that piece glued on, and we're going to make one more cut, and we're going to make it this way. And that was our cut. You can kind of see what's happening. So here it is, about to go on the lathe. Let's see what happens. Still looking good. I doused it in CA. Well, this is where it is so far. This bushing is glued onto the bottom of the pen, so I got to get that off. But there's the oak, the walnut, the oak, this piece of pecan with the screw hole through it that I filled with a simple dowel rod. So this is with about 6 or 7 coats of thin CA glue on it, thin super glue. I'll put a few more, and then I will start to sand and buff. Okay, all wet sanded. Now time for some polish. Holy moly, look at the shine on this thing. And it is so smooth. So this is it in the pen kit. It's black, gold, the oak, the walnut, the pecan, and then that filled screw hole. Very pretty.